Hi, my name is John McNulty. Welcome to our website, Trust Investing with No Tax Bill. We're here today to introduce you to a new concept. New mainly in this way. This is the lowest cost combination of investments with no tax bill. The no tax bill will remind you of the typical variable annuity. The big difference is this though. This cost is $20 per month per account. The account size can range from $25 to above $10 million. Think of that. $10 million and you can eliminate your tax bill for $240. So that's the big part there. This is a tremendous wealth building opportunity for you. Now, if you take a look here, we have an Ibbotson chart which shows a dollar invested basically from 1925, so you're looking at an 87-year period of time. Now, some of you may actually consider that as you look at wealth building over generational situation. The one part I'll throw out to you is this. A dollar invested in 1925 in large cap stocks basically outperforms every other investment except for small cap stocks. The rate of return is 9.8%, and a dollar invested would return $3,533 in that period of time. What's intriguing is this. If you applied a tax rate of 42% to those investments, you would be back down to $123. Think about that. Think of how much impact taxes have on your portfolio. Now, on our website, there's a chart which gets into a 20-year situation. That chart will show you a $200,000 investment over a 20-year period for a top bracket investor will return $400,000 more than ordinarily taxed investments. Now, you can obviously see the impact of that. The other thing I'd like to point out is that we are very strong on low volatility investments. If you were to look at the ups and downs of the market, when the market drops and it scares a lot of people out of stock investments, they're scared out of something which, as again you can see, and I'll point out to you here, if you were to look at bond investments at 5.7%, you're looking at that $123 amount versus the $3,500 amount. So stocks are typically the place to be. But when you take in volatility, you scare people out, number one, and you impede investment returns, number two. I'd like to show you a piece. One of our strong equity investors is F2 Investments. If you go to the website, you'll see a symbol of an airbag. If you click on that, you'll see a little talk about how F2, their investment model, and how the airbags represent eliminating that volatility. This brochure, which is available to you, would show you this, that if you were to take $100,000 invested in April of 01, the inception date of this fund manager, in the S&P 500, in the Vanguard funds, the $100,000 would have become a little bit over $144,000. If the same $100,000 invested into this, net of fees, would have returned in excess of $340,000. Pretty amazing number, but when you also link that with the ability of making it free of taxes for $20 a month, now we're really talking about something spectacular. Now I know what you're thinking. Even though I sound credible, you're saying it's too good to be true. I can assure you that these numbers do make sense, and what we'd like to do is invite you to talk to us about this. Now finally, we have a piece which is available again to you through the website, but we'd like you to fill out the box on the right with your contact information to give you access and send you to the final part, which is a piece on $500,000 invested, and how that over time becomes $32 million. Really sounds too good to be true. By the way, we have a piece entitled Too Good to Be True, which you should definitely read. It's a real life scenario on one of my clients, and I think you'll get an idea again of what we're talking about. The other thing is that the chart that I show you here, we do have numbers of these available if you're interested. So again, give us a call. We'd like to help you with your investments and eliminate your tax bills. Thank you very much.